Alright, number 4 here says a ball is thrown vertically upwards from the top of a building with velocity of 10 meters per second. If it takes 4 seconds for the ball to reach the ground level, the height of the building is, and these are the options given. Now, let me draw, assume this is the building, okay, and this is thrown from here down. Okay, this is the ground level. Okay, now we assume here, from here down, this is the height of the building, h, and here is the height of the projection from the top of the building. Let us say this is s. Okay, let me just use y. Okay, alright, and we are told here that the total time is 4 seconds. Alright, to this end, let us find the time it takes the ball to get to this point. Okay, so you know at this point the ball will be stationary, which implies that v equals to what? 0 here. Okay, so at this point, and our u is 10 meters per second. Okay, to this end, let us find the time. Now using this formula that v equals to u plus at, and take note that since it is vertical, our a equals negative g. So to that end, here we have 0 equals u minus g then t. So at the end of the day, we have negative u equals negative gt. So, and t here would then be, since we are negative, then our u is 10 all over 10, which is what? 1 second. So which means the time taken for the ball to reach here is 1 second. Now let us now calculate the height now travel. Now making use of this formula, v square equals to u square plus 2a s. Okay, so at this point now, take note that our a also is what? G, because it's traveling vertically, and at this point also our v here is what? 0, because this is the maximum height, and our u is still 10 meters per second square. Alright, to that end, we can say this is our 0 equals to u square minus 2 times 10 times s. Alright, sorry, I've actually made this y, so here will be what? Y. Okay, so to this end, we have our u's here will come over here, so here we have negative u square equals negative 20y. So this will be negative 100 then equals negative 20y. Take note that this is not 100. Our negative u square is different from negative u all raised to the power of 2. For this is negative 100, and for this is just what? 100. So take note of that. So to that end, let us divide both sides by 20. So our y will now become 5 meters. Okay, so to that end now, it means from here to here is 5 meters. Alright, so let us now calculate the total height, and take note that from here to here is 1 second by our calculation. So for us to get the total height, let us make it as h then equals to ut plus at square all over 2. Okay, where our capital H equals y plus what? H. Okay, so to this end here now, our u here will be 0 because it's starting from rest. So here you have that h equals to 0, then plus our g is positive because it's now moving downward. So here we have 10, then times our time here. Take note that for the total time it is 4 seconds, and from here to here is 1, right? So it implies that the remaining part here will now be 4 minus 1, which is what? 3 seconds. So here we have 3 raised to the power of 2 all over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So here we have 5 times 9, which will give us what? 45 meter. Now if h plus equals to y plus small h, so here we have that 45 equals 5 plus small h. So here you have subtracting 5 from both sides, so we end up having 40 then equals what? H. So our h here is what? 40 meter. So B is the final answer. Alright, thank you.